Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. So, as you can see, I have just dressed up, completely ready to go to office. And right now, I'm on a train. This is basically Asansol Howrah Agnivina Superfast Express, which is also called as Bidhan in common Bengali terms. And today, as you can see, I'm going to office. So, if I want to tell you about myself. So, as everyone of you know, my name is Ayush Chakraborty, and I'm currently working in Accenture as a advanced software engineering analyst. Yeah, recently being promoted to advanced app engineering analyst. So, ah, so my domain is basically Salesforce. For this project is basically Salesforce. So if you can hear the background noises, kindly just ignore the background noises because my train is apparently crossing a station. So for that reason, you guys are getting this background noise. So yeah, so as I was saying, so I'm working as a advanced software engineering analyst, application engineering analyst to be like appropriate to be more apt. And right now I'm working in the domain of Salesforce development. So right from LWC, which is Lightning Web Component. So if I can give you a brief description of my role, like what is the exact requirements of my role and how I meet the expectations of my role. So if I want to give you a brief insight about that, so I'll tell you that it's basically one of the world's best CRM right now, that is Salesforce. So I have been working in Salesforce for the past 2.5 years. And so basically, if I start with the front end, so in Salesforce, the front end earlier it used to be done with Aura components and Visual Force pages, but since Salesforce has like turned off the Aura services and all. So after that, LWC. LWC is the Lightning Web component, which is used to design the front end of the applications in the form of components. Like the objects are naturally captured into the components, and the entire application is built using several components. So when we intermingle all those components and we want to develop the front end with those components, we can integrate LWC. We can take help of LWC to do that. So front end is done with LWC. Now, in order to integrate the backend with for front end, so for backend, I use Apex programming language. So Apex has a lot of aspects as well. So it starts from batch Apex, scheduled Apex, and then are Apex triggers. The most important concept of Apex is the Apex triggers. So and the database from where we collect, store, and fetch data, that is done by SOQL and SOSL. So SOQL is basically Salesforce oriented query language, and SOSL is Salesforce oriented structural language. So yeah, so that is all about a brief description of mine working in Accenture as a Salesforce development specialist. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.